two, three.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Madhuri Diana Putri, student number 11 from the Agribusiness Study Program, Faculty of Agriculture, University of Trunojoyo, Madura. This time, I will fulfill the final exam statement of the Law and Ethics course on a statement of one prestation in credit agreement motor vehicle with fiducia assurance. Case study at PT Mandiri, Tunas Finance. Okay, next, this is a definition and agreement of bank credit agreement. The term credit comes from the Greek credit. Our definition includes credit is the ability to carry out a purchase or make a loan with a promise of payment carried out at a certain agreed period of time. Credit agreement have several functions, including the credit agreement serve a efficiency regarding the limits of right and obligation between creditor and debitor. The second, the credit agreement serve a tool for monitoring credit. A credit agreement generally consists of four parts. 1. Title. In practice, the title used by each is different. For example, the credit agreement. The second, comparison. Comparison are part of a deed that contains information about the person. The third, content. The content is a part of the credit agreement which contain the things agreed by the parties. And then closing. It is part of the publication of the legal domicile of the parties the date the agreement is signed and the date the agreement start to take effect. Next, content and form of credit agreement. The content is part of the credit agreement which contain the things agreed by the parties. In practice, the content of the credit agreement must meet six minimum, namely amount owed, the amount of interest, repayment time, payment methods, the agreed costs, and insurance item. The third, collateral in the credit agreement. In principle, every credit extension must be secured, be it collateral in the form of object or personal guarantees. Collateral in the form object, giving collateral in the form of object means to a specialist part of a person will and provide it for the fulfillment. The second, there is a individual guarantee. The fourth, the termination of the credit agreement of the many cause for the termination. It is mostly caused by payment, which is the fulfillment of the achievement of the debitor, whether payment of principal debts, fine of fees other that must be paid in full by debitor. Okay, next, this is a definition of fiduciary and fiduciary guarantee. Fiduciary comes from the Dutch language, namely fiducie, while in English it's called fiduciary transfer of ownership, which means trust. Object and subject of fiduciary guarantee with the enactment of law number 42 of 1999 concerning fiduciary security. There are two objects of fiduciary guarantee. One, moving object, and the second, immovable object. Next, company profile PT Mandiri Tunas Finance is a subsidiary of PT Bank Mandiri or Persero Tbk, which is engaged in financing. Share ownership by PT Mandiri is 51% and PT Tunas Ridian Tbk is 49%. The business focus of a PT Mandiri Tunas Finance is financing commercial cars, passenger cars, motorcycle, heavy equipment for retail customer. Until now, PT Mandiri Tunas Finance continues to grow progressively and become the best finance company in Indonesia. Vision of PT Mandiri Tunas Finance to be the most progressive and reliable multi-finance in Indonesia. Mission of PT Mandiri Tunas Finance, the first, oriented toward fulfilling people's credit needs for the welfare of the nation and caring for the environment. The second, providing optimal benefit and benefit for stakeholders. And the third, building professional and unyielding human resource towards perwira's work culture. And then become a fun and a proud intuition in working to achieve the best achievements. And the work culture of PT Mandiri Tunas Finance, trust, entrepreneurship, innovate, and joy. Okay, next, form the content of motor vehicle credit agreement with fiduciary guarantee at PT Mandiri Tunas Finance. The form of a motor vehicle loan agreement with the fiduciary guarantee at PT Mandiri Tunas Finance dated June 4, 2011 concerning consumer financing agreement with fiduciary transfer of property rights is a written agreement made in the form of an underhand deed. The financing agreement used the start form of the agreement. A standard contract is a term used to refer to what is known as a standard contract. With a standard agreement, the entrepreneur are expected to gain efficiency in the expenditure of cost, labor, and time. The debitor can only accept or not accept at all, where the possibility of making changes does not exist at all. In other words, the debitor must comply with the provision contained in the standard agreement. Thus, from the matter listening to the form of the agreement above, it can be concluded that in general the credit agreement is in accordance with or does not conflict with the provision. Next, settlement of default in the motor vehicle loan agreement with fiduciary guarantees at PT Mandiri Tunas Finance. If in an agreement the debitor does not carry out what has been agreed upon, it can be said that he has committed default. This is prohibited, cannot be done. This is a legal consequence. Namely, the party or parties who are aggrieved can demand the implementation of the achievement or other consequence set on in the agreement or compensation. Implementation of consumer financing agreement at PT Mandiri Tunas Finance default that occur include the debitor does not fulfill one or more of the obligation and as stipulated in the agreement does not make a financing debt installment payment by a period of 30 days from the installment due date. And then the obstacle faced in settling default in the motor vehicle loan agreement with the fiduciary guarantee at PT Mandiri Tunas Finance. The collateral object has been transferred to another party without the knowledge of the PT Mandiri Tunas Finance. The recent consumer transfer their motor vehicle rights without the company's knowledge is because consumer needs funds quickly because there is a very urgent need. So consumers are forced to transfer rights without the company's knowledge. While consumers trade their motorbikes because consumers want to have additional money because their salary is insufficient. And then the collateral object is lost or destroyed. The consumer reason for the missing motor vehicle is not a deliberate mistake by the consumer because the motor vehicle is lost at an unexpected time and has paid attention to its safety. In facing the obstacle that arise and their solution, PT Mandiri Tunas Finance takes steps in accordance with the agreement that has been mutually agreed upon and the form the basis that binds the parties and applies as law. Well, that's all I can explain about the statement of one prestation in credit agreement motor vehicle with fiducia assurance. Case study at PT Mandiri Tunas Finance. More or less, I apologize. Thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.